Are motorcycle accident rates increasing or decreasing? Have you ever wondered about the safety of riding motorcycles? It is a thrilling experience, but how safe is it really? Let's look at the numbers to find out if motorcycle accident rates are increasing or decreasing. Over the past decade, motorcycle accident rates, especially fatal accidents, have generally been on the rise. From 2013 to 2022, fatal motorcycle accidents in the United States increased by over 25%. The number of fatalities jumped from about 4,600 to over 6,100 annually. This trend shows that riding a motorcycle carries a growing risk, even though the number of registered motorcycles has not increased as sharply. In 2022, motorcyclists accounted for over 6,200 deaths and more than 82,000 injuries. This represents about 15% of all traffic fatalities, despite motorcycles making up only 3% of registered vehicles. The fatality rate per vehicle mile traveled has also increased significantly over the years, indicating that riding remains more dangerous than driving other vehicles. However, there is a glimmer of hope. Data from 2020 to 2022 shows a modest decrease in fatality rates per mile traveled, with about a 16% drop. This suggests that there may be some improvements in safety or changes in riding patterns. Still, the overall number of fatalities remains high. In fact, the fatality rate per 100 million vehicle miles traveled increased by 19% from 2022 to 2023. This rise is due to fewer miles ridden while the number of fatalities stayed steady. Several factors contribute to these trends. Fatal accidents tend to peak during summer months and weekends when more riders are on the road. Speeding and alcohol impairment are major contributors, involved in roughly one-third of fatal crashes. Helmet noncompliance also plays a significant role, especially in states without universal helmet laws. Geographically, some states like Hawaii, Texas, Florida, and California have higher fatality rates, while others like South Dakota and Wisconsin have seen decreases in fatalities. Demographically, most fatalities involve male riders, particularly those aged 30 to 34. These statistics highlight the vulnerability of riders due to limited physical protection. Motorcycle safety efforts focus on accident prevention through rider training, helmet use, and awareness of risk factors like alcohol and speeding. So, to answer the question, motorcycle accident fatality rates have increased over the past decade, but recent data shows some signs of decline in rates per mile traveled. The risk remains significantly higher than for passenger vehicles, which emphasizes the importance of safety measures and accident prevention strategies for motorcyclists.